Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a menu for your restaurant or food business. So first thing you do is to go to templates here. So once you click on the templates, you will see a whole lot of things here and you can select them. You could scroll here and it might be here. Invitation, I think. Let me choose marketing. So let's see, posters, brochures, good is on. So once it's here, you see, click on marketing and you see the menus option here. Now you can proceed to click on it. So once you click on it, different templates can pop up, and then all you have to do is to select a template that matches or speaks to you in a different way that only that template can speak to you. Like for me now, I've not had time to, I cannot go through all of them, but what speaks to me is they're not all of them are speaking to me, but in different languages. But I think I like either this here, fast food menu, just because the food items are bold, yes, or this. So I can just click on this and begin. Let me see, it's better. And once it's this way, I can click on customize and I can take this beautiful template and transform it to my own. And that is it, guys. You've successfully created a menu for your food or restaurant business, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Let me know what you think about this video and if you love to create something like this. Thank you.